If Google Calendar notifications are getting distracting, or you just want to take back control of your alerts, this video is going to show you exactly how to turn them off, step by step. We'll go through the fastest way to disable notifications in Google Calendar so you can stop pop-ups, reminders, and alert clutter from interrupting your day. And if you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one calendar for work, personal use, or school. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you can control all of your calendar preferences. After that, click settings from the drop-down. This will open the full settings page for Google Calendar. Now look at the left side panel. Under the General section, find and click Notification Settings. This area controls the alerts and reminders that Google Calendar sends you. Once you're in Notification Settings, you'll see the Notifications drop-down menu. From here, you can turn notifications off completely, or you can uncheck only the alerts you don't want. If you still want some reminders but not all of them, this is the best place to customize exactly what you keep and what you remove. Take a moment to review each option carefully so you don't accidentally turn off something important. If your goal is a cleaner calendar experience, turning off unnecessary notifications can make a huge difference. It helps reduce interruptions, keeps your browser quieter, and lets you focus on the events that actually matter to you. Once you've made your changes, you can simply close the Settings tab or go back to your calendar, and your new notification preferences will stay saved automatically. So that's it, you now know how to turn off notifications from Google Calendar in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials.